In this video, we are to tell you about the Thorn Birds 1983 series, cast then and now in 2022. So let's get started. Number 1. Richard Chamberlain in 1983, age 49. Richard Chamberlain in 2022, age 87. Number 2. Rachel Ward in 1983, age 26. Rachel Ward in 2022, age 64. Number 3. Bryan Brown in 1983, age 36. Bryan Brown in 2022, age 74. Number 4. Christopher Plummer in 1983, age 54. Christopher Plummer died on the 5th of February 2021. Number 5. Mare Winningham in 1983, age 24. Mare Winningham in 2022, age 62. Number 6. Piper Laurie in 1983, age 51. Piper Laurie in 2022, age 90. Number 7. Sydney Penny in 1983, age 12. Sydney Penny in 2022, age 50. Number 8. Barry Corbin in 1983, age 43. Barry Corbin in 2022, age 81. Number 9. Brett Cullen in 1983, age 27. Brett Cullen in 2022, age 65. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.